This is the brand new Warrior Scissor Lift trailer by Primo Corporations. This trailer features Primo's patented spring coil suspension system, making it the smoothest riding scissor lift trailer you can get. The Warrior Scissor Lift trailer comes with electric brakes on 2 or all 4 wheels, aluminum rims, powder coat paint, a front toolbox, in-floor tie-down points, wireless remote controls, and an electric hydraulic pump system. This trailer is power up and gravity down. With almost 0 loading degree angle, this trailer is perfect for scissor lifts, zero-turn lawnmowers, or any low-profile equipment. The Warrior Scissor Lift trailer comes in 2 sizes, 60 inches wide by 10 feet long and 72 inches by 12 feet long. These trailers have a gross vehicle weight rating of 4,550 pounds and a payload capacity of 3,300 pounds. Because of Primo Corporation's commitment to value engineering, no waste policy, and cost reduction policies, this trailer is able to retail 38 to 41% less than our competitors. For more information, please visit us at primocorporations.com.